record part 1. Okay, you say you call engage her for.
He engaged her for 12 years.
For 12 years.
No. After 12 years, the girl go say, this man don't waste my time. After 12 years, then the girl now come some more courage. He can go give her wedding ring back, engagement ring back now. Now the man call in narrator and say, now wicked girl.
Wait, they don't look behind whether they are work for 12 years.
12 years.
You keep for 12 years, never enter secondary school.
He say women wicked. After all the love we show you, after he don't engage you for 12 years.
Wait,
you go to tell my engagement.
Who called the engagement?
Now the girl that customer call you don't tell me, I don't tire, don't.
Oh, the guy see the post say.
Then the guy now go the narrator, they go say women wicked.
That kind boy, you know what he will do? Huh? You know what he will do? That kind boy. You know say if you want cash foul, you will use corn. You will call throw away corn, give her, make him come again. You know what he did there? Rope went too tight. Take and tie his neck, take and engage his neck. How you will engage woman for 12 years?
12 years. You engage her for 12 years.
And that woman a very dull woman.
She's too dull.
1 year pass, 2 years pass, now love, 3 years, 4 years, you never born, you don't get out. Then your people say you don't engage, you don't engagement ring, you don't expire, you don't get your hand don't cut. That woman is a stupid woman.
You know, you see there for everywhere, social media. Oh, my baby is taking today. My baby is taking. She'll go like Ken.
You know, say some boy some of these boys. Some boy. Wait. Some boy like a young boy. They'll use one ring. Take friend almost every day. They'll just say, baby, I love you. I want to engage you. You know, say as we be now, we will be married people now. If we talk to them, they don't agree. Now those people when they wear trousers, when they put trousers for natural. Yeah, man. They say, go sit down. Let's assume we they try to talk to them, but they see some issue like that. The responsible man will go and meet woman direct. If not direct or indirect, the woman not agree.
No.
But one when we say your carry for her, the stroke.
Your tattoo.
He will just tattoo, he will just engage them. Women, what can I open eye? I the advice now. And maybe it's taking today. Now how long cut for this thing?
I don't tire. They have the food there. Very
which kind of thing? When are you people going to change? When the change, you are change. Starling from US. You are well done. Yeah, I can see you busily. Thank you. Now, when are you people going to start this kind of matter? Yeah, my God, this is my one and only friend, Festive Bensilu. And they hear you. When they won't start, women, make women change for this matter.
No, because when boys come to say the women don't like ring. Like they go buy ring. You don't say like if they go for beneath there, they go igun. They don't keep it. Quick do one. They don't measure the game finger. They don't put on for the game.
They don't put flower restaurant. That kind of thing. They don't say that's what they do. They don't say, can you marry me?
If you don't carry a go one restaurant, you don't buy drink of.
Sometimes they put on ice cream.
Sometimes put on ice cream. Don't try vinegar go drink the ice cream.
He go drink the ice cream.
Vinegar go drink the ice cream. Go forget am. Last shit now they will see the ring go. Vinegar go drink the ice cream. Don't forget that side. You go say now movie. Now they go to drink. Now they go get drink. We don't say movie. Then they cast that.
Wait. What this guy when we say I call my friend today. My friend, I come tell my friend one thing. Now my friend say make you no mind. They say now hungry. Now hungry. Guy whenever you see you give my ice cream. You want make you observe wetin dey inside. That guy go lick the ice cream, clean wetin dey there, take the ring, take and do 2p.
He never said they don't go.
He was just I see your ring here. I just want to drink ice cream for a long time. You have not done that.
Because you can guess where you go buy ice cream. Go say you go drink ice cream. Where the posh person go see take away go house. Now you go say you put ring inside for Benin wey me know. Go try our people. That ring now shit. Now you go see him.
The Eugene the evangelist Eugene. We'll call your way very soon with your you are watching from where? From Tori. Now all these people now we need to talk to girls. They don't do the forehand for some men. And some men don't do the forehand for women. You know, there's some women that they even the leader they engage some men. Because they don't do
repeat.
Because repeat when they want to, they need to do it because some men too they love for relationship. They'll say, "No, my baby don't the weako. Their face don't they go. They not green go satana. They don't go green Maria Victoria. Make them even check what they did there. And what's part of it? All these women they do. They will carry telephone, give their mama for Nigeria. Make they call the babe. Oh, Saiti, oh, Moki, how you day? One I will come house. Mommy, where I come? She not be mommy. I tell mommy say I won't marry you.
I tell you.
I tell mommy say I won't marry you.
Oh. God.
I love you. That one will come use my can go Portapala, go buy Amy Kemi. He will buy the issue, buy a pala, buy everything, go take a cook soup for that very day when they call their mom for house. The boy when they eat, they will do like this. See this one. He will marry you. See this Ogbonge. Now, when are we going to wise?
The truth is, women too like some kind of thing will be a fizzy, flashy, men don't they know, so see their level. Then the men go the trap on. No, so they know, say, okay, maybe I see they friend this guy. Waiting they want, women, this they as they date them, they're not just want it, they don't know something from club and they enter dance. Dating, you know, if you enter a relationship without dating. Now, dating, now you take know this guy, say, who this guy be? This guy day, I take day. You understand? Many just want to enter a relationship, enter marriage. The guy goes, okay, see now, wait till they rush you enter. We go say rush you enter. Now so they be now. So they know, say the level where they go, they just follow the level. So they all know, say, okay, this guy just come now, marriage they find out, you're going to
you know, say some people are according to
many boys.
According to all these young boys. You know, say that they talk to women when I don't understand. Guess. They will say, where this relationship they carry us, they go.
Now they tell
you. Now I made some boys now don't come capitalize, can't understand. Say, baby, now marry, I won't marry you. As you said that to joke when they on the street for Benin, now they match ring they give them. Till they sample them say, I love you.
I said,
women open eye.
I'll tell you.
More than open eye. Now be the future of Nigeria tomorrow. Still, when I know they let all they understand what you be now feeling. When I see my way love, when I know love, and I go love wrong one.
Wrong ones, plenty.
And I make una will see dead the one when be say una too love. That one will leave una go they do chun 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 chun. Amen. Make I let una understand. If na one like my program, more kuna like, more kuna share. But man, waiting I just want make I let una understand, most especially woman. Men, woman when you too love, not marry her. Yes. Let the woman love you so that respect will come. When we dey village all the days, woman don't know how they take they come. Nowadays now, I won't come. Where do they come, they go?
And if you not come, you go.
Where do they come, they go?
And if you not come, we go.
Baby, wait, make I come before you come. Where you they go?
Me at the waka.
Huh?
Not me make I go there saying a slow bus. You say make on the entire Ferrari because
wait. The woman will say, wait, make I come. The woman will get where they come, they go.
You enter keke, they go.
Our mama and papa, they call that. I know if papa will come, mama will stay.
Mama go stay. Papa can't go. This is the woman need to come go.
But this people will say, wait, make I come.
That made the finish. I said many men for this town, this our town, we never know how to smoke before. Because they made the last long ago they teach them how to take the smoke banana.
So that smoke banana, inside does be the feather.
They don't finish the mess.
The brain don't come on.
They don't finish the
mess. You see this power is not tomorrow. Now does be they search they go. What did they search?
I watched one for Ghana that day. I watched her last 2 weeks here. This man, this lady, she fell for ground. People can't gather. It can't be like say maybe the man use her for something or now the man say he not do anything. Oh. He say man ask her the woman cause am. Now they say what happen as we dey talk now. Baba's joystick he just did like this. He not go down.
He just remain.
He not go down. The guy they provoke.
Oh Baba.
He provoke.
Boy, where do you go?
Now everybody call it. Now he say man ask her now they come pour water pour. Now the guy just wake up brother like this.
The guy.
The guy come wake up. Now he go say. Then the guy call the dodge. They go say man this guy now he say he not do you anything. Oh, may you use the man tell them what you do. Now this guy he go say he not the try.
He not the come.
He say he go do 4 times. He go say not reach.
He not come.
He say he go do. He go say they too quick on all those kind of things. He not satisfy and well. Now make the guy come back. Say go back with him one almost killer. You get come buy those, come give this guy uku when the guy drink, and the guy drink uku now.
The thing like
you know they come down. Now the guy comes into the fire. Now the guy got the fire for almost 3 to 4 hours. Now
on top of
the girl, now the girl fence.
Go up.
Now the girl fence. I tell you the girl come. The guy use a mouth talking, and now they say sure. So now you come back with him will kill you. As I see the talk, I said Jumbo still tell like this.
Jumbo no that guy Jumbo you will go slap man.
Jumbo man, so
I say you go school, don't know how to spell Jumbo. Now you go to spell wrong way now. Jumbo go the man like that.
Jumbo just dey like that.
What nonsense Jumbo?
Not be here with the tussle. Now so the word come people.
My dear,
una do well.
Come, you cannot please people, not displease yourself. Woman, when you put for house, you respect her. But not kill yourself because you must deserve that respect. And all those ones when they do boyfriend and girlfriend, not kill yourself because of woman.
I'm telling you.
I'm a baby avec we are a bunga avec her.
That's it.
Et je sais que moi, et nous allons,
That's it.
For today, we just bring this one take clinic now. We won't draw the cut and this we'll just draw and make sure everything fine. Tomorrow Saturday we dey on our way. We get some funny things we wanna bring up for now tomorrow. Make una ready wait for us to subscribe, share, and distribute. My guy, be you special. I hate you.